whistling contests with my brother. Kasi magaling siya mag-whistle.
Whistling contest.
Ang galing niya. Habang naglilinis tayo, tingin ng kusina.
Bakit sa kusina?
Wala lang. Kasi
whistling contest
we always
sa
hang out
kusina?
in the kitchen, right? Diba? Kumakain.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant you and your brother have whistling contests in the kitchen. Oh, you do?
Habang, like, naghuhugas kami ng
okay.
pinggan.
Okay. That's cute. He's like your best friend.
Yeah, like, I miss them.
Kung pwedeng tatawagin?
Kung pwede mong tawagan.
Tawagan?
Kung pwede mong tawagin. Kung pwede mong tawagin yung pamilya mo, anong gusto mong sabihin?
Tama.
Anong gusto mong sabihin?
Anong gusto mo sabihin? Anong gusto mo sabihin? Kung pwedeng...
Kung meron...
Hi bro, how are you? Hey!
I have a nickname for my whole family. I don't call them by yung brothers or yung mga pangalan nila. Minsan, like Ate Rose.
Ate Rose? Your sister?
My sister.
Call her Ate Rose?
No, I have a nickname for my sister.
May tanong.
I have a nickname for my whole family.
There's a girl older than you by 1 year. You call her Ate?
Yes.
Talaga?
My best friend calls me Ate.
If you called me Kuya, I would be like, not offended, but like, well, I don't want her to call me Kuya.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Isang taon, hindi...
Like Dami, like, I want to be like, Kuya.
From me?
Yeah.
Kasi like 8-9 years?
Yeah.
Even like 1 year. But my best friend calls me Ate minsan kasi I'm 1 year older than her. Actually, no, not even. Just not even a year older than her. Months older.
A month older?